To get back to you, you said $3 trillion. You know, what's going to support that? Is it just going to be earnings, or is there going to be an expansion of that multiple from what currently is around 29, 30 times already?
Yeah, I think it's a great question. Ultimately, we view this as a sum of the parts. I think a big thing is the services business. You know, that valuation of the services business alone, we think could be 1.5 trillion. But it comes down to what Cook told Josh, and I think what's going to come out in the call. It's about the China growth story continuing to play out on iPhones. And today, you still have 25 or 30% of the customer base that has not upgraded their phone in 3.5 years. That's why this super cycle, we believe, extends in 2022, continues to get re-rated. And I think numbers in the street go massively higher. They're in a position of strength. And this is a name where I think the doubters continue to think the best is in the rearview mirror. But yet, as you're seeing play out here, we're just in the middle innings of what I'll call a renaissance of growth in Cupertino.
There was some concern, Shannon, going into the report that there would be a drop-off in demand for Macs and iPads, given the strength we saw in those products during the COVID-19 pandemic. There were questions about China. I think Goldman Sachs analysts raised questions about China and how strong that cycle was for the new 5G phones. And it looks like they've managed to surpass the expectations. Tim Cook telling Josh most of the 5G upgrade is in front of us. What's your initial take?
Couldn't agree with you more, Sarah. I mean, I just heard those comments that Josh shared with us from Tim Cook about the 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Max selling really well in China. That's always been a concern about average selling price in China. It's never been about the units. And so if you think about also those switchers from Android products into iPhones, that then has the follow-on effect of all of these wearables that we talk about and services, both of which were what we were supposed to be paying attention to, if you remember, a few years ago. And so, you know, I think that there is a huge tailwind for 5G. I can't disagree. We're certainly seeing, you know, the switching continue to happen. And so I think being able to take advantage of all of the services and wearables, you need to have a new phone to be able to support all of that, to support new apps. And so it's a great call, just from what I've been able to hear so far.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.